Confidence and courage is the key to creating life on your terms. As I experience life, there are times I can look back on things that may not have been funny at the time and laugh at them now. I see memes that express experiences that I've had or make me laugh about certain experiences. I've learned through living life that laughter is the best medicine. My sense of humor is quirky and edgy. I may offend you, but I'll also make you think. I have people come at me and say things like I'm not living the example of the 42 laws of Ma'at. These people think they are no longer religious, but do the same thing as when they were Christians. They judge others. They trade beating people over the head with the Bible to beating them over the head with their limited idea of Kemeticism that's no more than a tweak to Christian beliefs. My channel is about expressing spirituality through the Kemetic framework and my experience as a former Christian and what my life is now. I don't do it all perfectly. If you're looking to me as a perfected example of anything, then you have the wrong guy. Perfection is the belief in some unchanging state. The universe doesn't operate that way, nor should we place that expectation on ourselves. You're going to fuck up sometimes. Just learn from it. That's how you gain wisdom as a soul. Through the pain is when you learn not to do it again. It's going to take some confidence and courage to create and live life on your terms. Everyone is not going to agree with you. But are you going to be okay with being a nonconformist? Will you have the courage to stick your head above the crowd and see what true freedom is like? When you do, people will notice you and throw things at you to make you conform. When it gets tough, will you shrink? Will you be satisfied with living in their box of expectations? Our journeys are different. Our ways of being are different, and they are all valid expressions of the Creator in human form. If you happen to be one of those judgmental types and don't like the way I express my journey on my channel, I'm completely and perfectly okay with that. But keep it to yourself, because I don't give a shit about how you may want to judge me. I'm going to rise or fall doing it my way and on my terms. I quit trying to live to please others years ago. I refuse to live in anyone's box of limitation that may include my race, sex, or spirituality. I've always been the odd one. Even when I tried to fit in, I couldn't. Now I live life on my terms, and I am so free. Those who are a part of my tribe will get that. As a part of my tribe, you're here at Kemetic Centered Living and now a part of my journey and me yours. But either way, we'll grow and evolve from the experiences. Gain the courage and confidence to free yourself from the need to not rock the boat or to please other people. Life will be so much more fun and enjoyable. Confidence in yourself and courage to step through your fears is key. When you recognize that you're a god or goddess, both confidence and courage will be in ample supply. Why? Because you know you're a creator. Feel me? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for future updates. Like and share this video with anyone that may be uplifted and expanded by it.